Hello, crafter friends. This is Virginia from Desert View Studio. In today's video, I will showing you guys how to make this cute mini vase using Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree. They are so adorable and easy to make, perfect for gift and put them around the house. Each vase only required 9 pieces of Jenga blocks. These cute flowers, I used the fabric remnants from my previous project, which I will show you guys to make in my upcoming project. And I also planning to make more in different colors of fabrics as well. Okay, let's get started on the vase. I first start with the base. I glue the 3 pieces together as you see here. And the glue that I use is the crab glue that I got it from Dollar Tree. I tend to use a lot of glue sometimes, so it's kind of like all over the place. So next I glued the 2 pieces together for the size of the body, as you see here. I don't wait for everything to completely dry. I just jump right on to the next step. And as you can see here, I glued the side onto the 2 pieces to complete the box. The glue from Dollar Tree that I'm using is great, but there are times I had hard time squeezing it out from the bottle. But it does the job. I mean, for $1, so it's pretty good. So this is the last piece that I'm going to close up the body of the box. So at this point, I let the 2 pieces dry completely before I move on to the next step. I just want to make sure that the glue is dry before I apply on the paint. And here I apply on the white paint as the base. I put at least 2 to 3 coat on the base. I also put around the edges. And also, like, once the top side dry, I work on the opposite side so that way it doesn't get stuck on the paper. Once the white paint dry, you apply the black paint. And after the paint dry, you start sanding as you're seeing here. Sand it down gently. And the sandpaper that I'm using here is 60 grit. But whatever sandpaper that you have on hand is working fine. And as you can see, this project is so easy to make. I hope you guys give it a try and let me know how it turned out. And also, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers for supporting my channel. And also to those of you that are new to my channel, thank you very much. And if you have not yet subscribed, like, or share my channel, please do so for help my channel growing. Thank you so much for your support, guys. And this is the last step. I just glued the base onto the body and adjust it to make sure that it's straight. And here it is, the finishing product with the pretty flowers. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.